Good afternoon. I'm sure you probably can't see me because what's left of the sun is in my background. Maybe this way would probably work. I'm putting it this way now. Yeah, this looks better. No longer is it a 360, but now we're using the GoPro Hero 9. So it'll just be an ordinary movie. We're doing okay now. Weather got a lot better. We're seeing the plants grow very healthy. We're not done with the onions yet, so the onions still have a lot to go. I don't think you can see it from here, but from my naked eye, you should be able to see it. I don't think you can see it. I mean, unless I could throw the drone up there and get a visual of it. But take my word for it, we're doing fine. We're doing fine now. I just got out, just had some dinner. And them restaurants are getting more and more crowded. Naturally, there's a lot more people here in the surrounding areas. Of course, earlier I was up in Austin. I was picking up some fried chicken to take to work, and I mean, if you all know what Austin is, we're pretty crowded with people of all types of races. We got Hindus, we got Muslims, we got Hispanics, we got black people, we got Chinese, Vietnamese, Filipinos. We got everything. We got everything here in Austin. And we all get along fine. I mean, typical city of Austin is like an ordinary metropolitan city, like Dallas, San Antonio, Houston. Well, maybe Houston might get a little bit more rowdy, to my opinion, of course. I haven't seen the statistics, but we were famous for heavy traffic. Now we don't have that much heavy traffic because since we did that loop around the city, it elevated a lot of the traffic. But we do have a lot of people. I went into a Church's Chicken, and I'm not here to advertise the chicken place. I hadn't eaten fried chicken for a while. I've gone to Jollibee's. Jollibee's is good. Jollibee's. It's a Filipino restaurant. It's an original Filipino restaurant, but here in the United States, I don't see the difference between the restaurants in the Philippines, or the ones that I've eaten, which is in Cebu, Maasin City, El Nido, Boracay. There's a lot of Jollibees all over the Philippines. It's the number one favorite for Filipino people. Well, we got one here in Austin, so it just barely opened a couple of months ago. It's the same chicken. It's like how these guys do it. They brought the chicken from the Philippines because it's the same flavor. The chicken has to be different, but I don't know how they did it. But anyways, I drove into a Church's Chicken, and I'm like, there's like 9 or 10 vehicles on the line. I was like, no, I'm gonna just go and park and walk in and order by the cash register. Oh, it's a big line coming in. Also, it's like, dude, I mean, Church's is like, it's been around in Texas for the past 100 years, and people like chicken, but I mean, I can't get used to eating chicken all the time. So it's like, what's all these people here? Well, lo and behold, I mean, I'm not the only uh, I'm not the only one here that's eating. There's people of all ethnicities, ethnicities that like churches. Um, so it's like Austin's growing. Austin is growing, and the job rate is not that well, but it is good, but not that well. Eventually, people who want to come and live in Austin is going to have to find jobs outside. Round Rock, Texas, Pflugerville. You want to work as a farmer, you're going to have to go west. You got Lakeway Farms, Lago Vista. You got Pickles Farms. Pickles Farms is a humongously big farm. And these are just one out of, I think, 20-some farms all over the state of Texas. But I am assigned to the Pickles Farms, which is the one west of Austin. It's beautiful country. If you love seeing agriculture grow on you and the quiet life, not a lot of people, not a lot of traffic, then you should consider getting a degree in farming. You know, it would be something interesting. Anyways, this is my take for today. It's gonna end up getting dark in just a little bit, and as I said, normally I do my videos with an Insta360 1X2 because it has the blog mode anyways. In this particular case, I'm just gonna do it with this GoPro, the GoPro Hero 9. But we'll see what happens tomorrow. See what's going on afterwards.